Welcome back to eGreen Channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been requesting, a 7-day healthy diet plan designed to help you achieve your weight loss and muscle gain goals. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from eGreen Channel. This channel is the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional with a vision to empower individuals like you to take charge of their health and well-being. Whether you're just starting your health journey or looking for ways to optimize your current routine, eGreen Channel is your go-to resource for valuable insights to help you lead a healthier and happier life. Remember to hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. All right, let's kick off this 7-day journey with day 1, where our focus is on giving your body a powerful protein boost right from the start. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues and maintaining a healthy weight. For breakfast, start strong with scrambled eggs with smoked salmon and spinach, or Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein in your breakfast. For lunch, a grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, quinoa, and a light vinaigrette dressing is excellent. You can also opt for lentil soup with whole grain bread. For dinner, try baked salmon with steamed vegetables or tofu stir-fry with brown rice. Prioritize lean protein sources and fiber-rich vegetables. Adjust the meal plan based on your dietary preferences and needs. Pay attention to how your body feels. Increased satiety, improved energy levels, and reduced cravings are positive signs. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses. Embrace the power of protein on day 1, and let's set the foundation for a successful 7-day journey. Stay hydrated and support your body's optimal functioning. Welcome to day 2, where we're mastering the art of balancing our macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and fats for optimal energy levels and overall well-being. Let's debunk the myth that carbohydrates are the enemy. Complex carbs provide sustained energy release, keeping us fuller for longer. Embrace whole grains like oatmeal, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These fiber-rich options aid in digestion and promote gut health. Continue to incorporate lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, tofu, beans, and lentils. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, cell function, and nutrient absorption. Include avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil in your diet. A sample meal plan. Breakfast of overnight oats with berries, nuts, and seeds. Lunch of grilled chicken or fish with quinoa and vegetables. Dinner of lentil soup with whole grain bread or salad with grilled tofu. Focus on balance. Combine complex carbs, lean protein, and healthy fats. Consistency is key. Small, sustainable changes yield long-term results. Let's continue to make healthy choices and strive for balance in our nutrition. Remember, each macronutrient plays a vital role in our bodies. Finding the right balance is key to achieving our health goals. Welcome to day 3, where we're shining the spotlight on 2 essential components of a healthy diet: fiber and hydration. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest, adding bulk to our stool and promoting regularity. It also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in our gut. Load up on fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals. Water is essential for life, playing a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, temperature regulation, and waste removal. Stay hydrated to prevent fatigue, headaches, and digestive issues. Carry a water bottle and sip throughout the day. Opt for herbal teas, infused water, or low-sugar electrolyte drinks. A sample meal plan: breakfast of chia pudding with berries and nuts, lunch of a large salad with grilled chicken or fish and vegetables, dinner of vegetable stir-fry with brown rice or lentil soup with whole grain bread. Prioritize fiber and hydration. Make conscious choices to include fiber-rich foods and drink plenty of fluids. Your digestive system will thank you. Often overlooked, these 2 elements play a crucial role in digestion and overall well-being. Welcome to day 4, where we're tackling the topic of snacking. Snacking can be a valuable tool for managing hunger, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and keeping our metabolism humming. Choose healthy, nutrient-rich snacks that fuel our bodies. Listen to your body's hunger cues. Snack when genuinely hungry. A healthy snack should provide a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Incorporate snacks like a handful of almonds, a piece of fruit with nut butter, Greek yogurt with berries, or vegetable sticks with hummus. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid weight gain. A sample snack plan: mid-morning snack of almonds or an apple with almond butter. Afternoon snack of Greek yogurt with berries or vegetable sticks with hummus. Embrace healthy snacking. Listen to your body's hunger cues and choose nutrient-rich snacks. Snacking can manage hunger, stabilize blood sugar levels, and keep our metabolism revved up. Avoid mindless munching. Stick to a single serving size. Welcome to Day 5, where we're focusing on portion control and variety. These two elements ensure we're providing our bodies with the right amount of nutrients while keeping our taste buds satisfied. Be mindful of portion sizes. Use smaller plates and bowls. Measure your food to stick to recommended serving sizes. Variety is essential for a balanced and nutritious diet. Incorporate a wide array of foods from all food groups. Challenge yourself to try new foods and incorporate more variety into your meals and snacks. A sample meal plan: breakfast of overnight oats with berries, nuts, and seeds. Lunch of a large salad with grilled chicken or fish and vegetables. Dinner of vegetable stir-fry with brown rice or lentil soup with whole grain bread. Be mindful of portion sizes and embrace variety. Use smaller plates, measure your food, and try new foods. Portion control and variety, the dynamic duo of a balanced and enjoyable diet. Prevent boredom and ensure a diverse range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Our eyes can often be bigger than our stomachs, leading to overeating. Over time, this can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Welcome to Day 6, where we're addressing the topic of cheat meals. Depriving ourselves completely can backfire, leading to cravings and overindulgence. Approach cheat meals strategically, allowing yourself to enjoy favorite foods in moderation. Redefine cheat meal as a planned indulgence. Enjoy favorite foods mindfully, savoring every bite without guilt. Choose quality over quantity. Opt for meals that nourish your body. Be mindful of portion sizes. Listen to hunger cues and stop eating when satisfied. Share your meal or save half for later. Balance cheat meals with healthy choices throughout the day. Don't beat yourself up if you overindulge. Acknowledge it, learn from it, and move on. A sample plan: nutrient-rich meals and snacks earlier in the day, followed by a mindful cheat meal. Approach cheat meals strategically. Enjoy favorite foods in moderation, mindfully and without guilt. Balance indulgences with healthy choices. Consistency is key. Welcome to Day 7, the final day of our 7-day healthy diet journey. It's time to reflect on our progress, recharge, and plan for continued success. Acknowledge how far you've come. Celebrate your progress. Reflect on the changes you've made and the challenges you've overcome. Day 7 is for rest and rejuvenation. Engage in activities that bring joy and reduce stress. Plan your meals and snacks for the week ahead. Prepping meals or snacks in advance can save time and energy. Continue incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine. Focus on gradual, sustainable changes. Be kind to yourself. Change takes time and effort. Celebrate successes, learn from setbacks, and never give up on your health goals. Reflect, recharge, and plan for success. You've got this. That wraps up our 7-day healthy diet plan designed to support both weight loss and muscle gain. Remember, this is just a starting point, and you can adjust it based on your individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to eGreen channel for more evidence-based health and wellness information. Stay tuned for more valuable insights to help you live a healthier and happier life. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care and keep striving for your best health. And remember, subscribe to the eGreen channel for more interesting facts.